How to disable startup programs on your Windows 11 computer. So I'll show you two different methods on how you can stop apps from automatically opening. Now the first method is you can click on your start menu from your desktop, type in Task Manager and click on this window here. Now over on the left hand side, scroll down to Startup Apps and click on this. Now what you can do is click on Status at the very top of the page. And this is going to order the list by which applications automatically run on your computer. So if you want to stop an app from automatically starting, you can just go and right click on the app and press disable. So that's the first way to stop startup apps. Now there is another way you can do this as well. You can open up your start menu and click on settings. From the left hand side, click on apps, scroll down and click on startup. And once again, here you'll find all of the startup applications. So if there's an app you want to turn off from automatically starting when you turn on your computer, just go and toggle the app to off like so, and that's how to disable startup apps in Windows 11.